All right, the last topic that we're going to discuss in this finance unit is credit card interest. So there are two ways that credit card companies could potentially calculate your credit card interest. And the way that a credit card you has calculates your interest, you're going to have to literally read the fine print of your contract, and it will tell you somewhere in there how they calculate the interest. The first method we're going to look at is using the unpaid balance method. And this is the lesser of the two in terms of how often this method is used. But it does occur at in different credit cards. It just depends. So what happens is the company charges you interest on the balance that remains from the previous month. Now, for any type of credit card, regardless of the way they calculate interest, if you don't want to pay interest, pay off your credit card every single month. Best way to do it. Otherwise, you get yourself into a lot of trouble. So let's take a look at this one here. You have an unpaid balance of $1566.85 at the beginning of January. So that's the amount that you didn't pay off. And then during the month, you make a payment on your credit card and you buy some more stuff. And the interest rate on the unpaid balance is 1.9% a month. So first thing, find the amount of interest owed on the unpaid balance. So this unpaid balance is the balance that you owed at the beginning of January. That's the $1566.85, and the credit card company is going to tack on 1.9% interest because you didn't pay off your bill. They're going to tack on, therefore, $29.77 to the amount you owe. So the next time you're told how much money you owe, here, whenever you get your bill at the end of January, going into February, you still owe that $1,566.85 that you didn't pay off in January. The credit card company is going to add on $29.77 in interest that you owe them from January. You made a payment, so that actually lessens the amount you owe the credit card company. So you can take $250 off of what you owe. But then you turn around and you buy more stuff, $361.50 worth of stuff to be exact. And so now at the end of January and you get your bill, you owe the credit card company $1,708.12. And then this process would start over again. They would then tack on 1.9% interest for that amount, the $1,708.12. They would add that interest, add on any new charges. If you make a payment, they'll subtract that, and you just keep going. And so you can see how people easily get themselves into credit card debt is because they don't pay off the full amount. And then, like in this example, they charge more than they paid off, and it just becomes a vicious cycle. In the next video, we're going to look at the other method that credit card companies use to calculate your interest, and it is the most common of the two methods.